Hi, I'm Dr. Erica Siegel, and my mission is simple: to help you take good care of yourself, body, mind, and spirit. I wrote this 2-volume book set, The Nourish Me Kitchen, to help you feel vibrant at every stage of your life. Volume 1, Essential Health Wisdom, is a functional medicine guide that brings an integrative physician right into your kitchen. It's packed with time-tested knowledge, home remedies, and practical self-care tools, so you can take your health into your own hands. Volume 2, Wholesome Everyday Recipes, offers over 300 flexible, family-friendly recipes. These are nutrient-dense, delicious meals that pass the picky kid test, are easy to adapt for special diets, and help you bring vitality to the table every single day. This project was born from over 20 years of practice, empowering people with real-world tools for cooking, healing, and self-care. Together, these books are more than a reference and more than a cookbook. They are your foundation for living vibrantly, aging gracefully, and nourishing both body and spirit. The Nourish Me Kitchen, because when we take good care, we create the conditions to thrive. Join me in bringing this wisdom to more hearts, more kitchens, and more lives.